For questions 3 and 4, scholars, you're going to be on your own, but let's take a quick look. What are 3 things that Ivan learns in his new life in the zoo? So, A, B, C, right? 1, 2, 3. And you don't have to write those as sentences. It's okay if you just jot kind of the main idea, right? He learned bloop, bloop, bloop. The 3 things. So 3 of the things he has learned about his new life, or in his new life. Number 4, what does Ivan find out about Ruby? How does he feel about it? So he finds out that Ruby, bloop. So you're finishing that sentence, right? It gives you a sentence starter. You just finish the sentence. How he feels about it. He feels, bloop. So how does he feel once he finds this out about Ruby? And then number 5, that's the one I really want us to take a moment and get to look at together. So there are many examples of figurative language in these chapters. Write one example and name the type of figurative language it is. So scholars, you may even want to circle the "and" just to remind you. So you're going to write 2 things here. 1, you're going to write an example of figurative language right from the book. So 1 example is, and then you're going to want to put quotation marks because you're writing words right from the book. 1 example is, and then the end of your quotation mark, right? So what figurative language did you find? There are a lot of them in the chapter. I even named a couple of them during my reading. You could go back and find one of those with me. And then part 2, name the type of figurative language that it is. It's a bloop. Right? Did you find a simile? Did you find a metaphor? Did you find personification? Did you find an onomatopoeia? Right? Did you find an oxymoron? What type of figurative language did you find? And readers, if you need to go to our resources and click on the figurative language guide, that's okay. Go ahead and do that. But see if you can find an example of figurative language and then what type of figurative language it is. That also helps you as you get ready for the quiz that we will be soon taking. Good luck! And remember, when you're finished with both pages, submit photos for today's assignment. Thank you!